Let me show you how I made this detachable fringe for less than $1. Let's get started. I got some braiding hair and knotted on a line to achieve a false extension. You can fill this up as much as you want. Next, I brushed it out and smoothed it with a straightener on medium heat. You don't want your straightener on high heat, else it will burn the extension. When cutting this hair, be sure to make it a little longer during the process so you can adjust it when you clip it on, but if you already cut it short, there won't be a remedy if you need one.
Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God. Make them they talk, and so they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move.
If you are watching my content for the first time, thank you for being here. I make easy fix tutorials like this. Please click the like button and subscribe to this channel, and kindly ignore the rough edges on my mannequin. Her hair is not perfect. For this bun, you may secure it with needle and thread if you want it to last longer. Also, do you call this fringe or bangs? Let me know in the comment section. This is what I meant when I said it's better to cut it longer so you can adjust it after you install. So I trimmed the excess length off and it came out perfect. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video.